Okay, so hi dear Aries, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a health and career reading for all the Aries from today till the 15th of September 2025. Okay, want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. And for personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box or find the links below. Okay, let's start. This is my slang now. Okay. I do it a lot. Let's start with your health and then job and then business thing and then finances. I'm going to take the guidance card for each area, each thing simultaneously, side by side. Okay. Okay. For Aries people in your health till the 15th of September, till the mid of September, let's see how it is going to be for you guys. We have the Nine of Wands. Okay, please take care of your body. Might be there are some kind of body ache issues, a little bit of injury. If you are going through some kind of already stressed phase of your life, try not to drive, try not to go on adventurous trip. If you're already sick, don't overdo anything, don't overexert your body. A little bit of injury might happen. Okay, and air related, vata related issues can be there. Joint Keep your joint health good. Something related to your bones or joint health is like requiring your immediate attention. Something is happening. So if you don't know, vata is like air, more air in the body that creates a lot of gas, and that creates issues in our digestion also, digestive system also, and that creates issues in our joint health also. Okay, so please take care of your joint health, your digestive system, and don't overexert your body. Otherwise, there are possibilities of some kind of injury. Okay, that you have to take care of. Guidance is the Seven of Wands. It's like you have to take the proper precautions. You don't have to overdo anything. You don't have to do certain things under peer pressure. Maybe other people are doing certain things that you might also like, but don't do anything that you know is not good for your health in any way. It's like definitely air related issues in your body that you have to take care of. If you're going to take the It's your responsibility to take a stand for your own health, Aries. Nobody else, not like no one else is responsible for your own health. Okay, so if you're not going to take care of your health is definitely going to have some kind of issues. Please take care of these issues. If you already have these kind of issues, they are going to increase a little bit more. So precaution is very highly required. Precautions and timely medicines, and maybe a regular checkup with your doctor is highly recommended. That will help you to keep your health in check. Okay, let's see what we have for those people who are working for others or doing job. Let's see what we have for those people. We have the Four of Cups. So you are not satisfied, you are a little bit confused. Might be you are having other offers too on the table and you're not able to understand which one is the best one. Whatever options you have, you are not satisfied with them. You are looking forward to have something better in your job or career area right now, but you are a little dissatisfied. If you don't have any options, you might be looking for options, because whatever job, whatever career you are right now in is not making you super happy, or you might not be able to see the growth, a lot of potential of growth in your current job situation. So you might be looking forward to have some kind of opportunities, but either the opportunities are not there, or whatever is there you are not able to take it. It's not worth it. So you are waiting for some kind of good opportunity, and or you might be waiting for this job thing of yours to give you some kind of salary hike or promotion or something that's going to keep you going. A little bit dissatisfaction in your job area. Guidance here is the Hanged Man. See, do whatever you can do from your side in every way possible. At the same time, stand still, surrender to the divine. do your best, give your best shot with whatever you can, resumes, interviews, looking for opportunities in where like in whatever possible ways you can. But at the same time, just surrender to the divine. If you are going to get obsessed with the idea of wanting it right now or wanting it the way you want it, you might get disappointed, more disappointed. So this is the law of manifestation. Actually, whatever we want, we have to give our best effort to that and then surrender it to the divine. Whenever it is supposed to happen, it will happen. Okay. So this is for your job area. Let's see for those of you who are self working or they are having their own business, working for themselves or business thing. Let's see for those of you who are having their own work or doing their own business thing. Let's see. Three of Pentacles. Okay. If you're working in collaboration or partnerships, you are going to have a fantastic time ahead. I do see you getting more projects. I do see you getting success and victory, especially in collaborations or partnerships, or coming together with somebody is going to bring you not massive success, but you will be able to see the good results of your hard work in your business area if you are going to you know be in a collaborative kind of energy. If you are doing it single handedly and you are not right now working with anybody, try to take help from somebody. Even if you are not looking for a partnership, try to take help from somebody who can help you to navigate you through this business thing in a positive way. Taking help also can help you in a positive way, right? If you are not open for collaboration or partnership, if you are working in a partnership in your business thing, that's going to flourish. I do see equal give and take of energy, equal investment of time and energy. Maybe not money and resources, but things are going to start working out in your favor. Today is 3rd of September. Tomorrow onwards, things will start shaping up for you slowly but surely. It's a gradual process, but you are going to see the results very, very soon of your hard work in your business area. For you, the guidance is the Six of Cups. Something used to work out for you in a very, very positive way in the past. Maybe you have a history of family business, or you have somebody by your side with whom at some point of time you had some kind of big vision or big dreams and things were working out beautifully. You can take that project also. You can connect with that person also, or you can use the same strategy that you were using at that time that was working out fine for you. So it's basically something from your past that was so beautifully aligned with your path of business and development. You can take help from that strategy. It can be like 100-year-old strategy that used to work out for a lot of people, and now somebody is going to come towards you with that strategy. You can take help, you can use that, it is going to help you. Or maybe some with somebody you had you had at some point of time, you guys were working together and things were really very very fine, but for some reason you might have separated or something. But you can connect with that person, that energy back. There are chances of things working out in a more positive and beautiful way for you in that collaboration partnership, okay, from your past. Let's see for those of you who are seeking for a new job, new career, or trying to start their own business. Let's see how it is going to be for you guys. Four of Wands. Wow. There are very high chances that you are going to get a new job opportunity. You are going to get a new collaboration partnership, business opportunity in some kind of job fair, or where other people are also coming, where there are lots of people with different ideas are coming. Uh, yeah, it's like what we call that, on campus placements or job fairs, or other people coming. It's like a get together where other people are also coming, like minded people offering their uh, money, their resources to start a business, or offering jobs. So there are very good chances that you will be able to connect with somebody, even if you are a job seeker or trying to start your own business. You will be able to connect with somebody who can have the long term potential kind of thing for you guys, on the table for you guys. Awesome. So if you are invited, or if you see an offer, if you see an opportunity to join, you know, big get together or big group or something like that, go there. Even if it is online or offline, doesn't matter, because there are high chances of you getting some good news in this direction. Okay, let's see the guidance for you guys in this. We have the Two of Cups. So the guidance here is, give your 100% from your side with all of your heart and soul. Half-hearted energy is going to attract only half-hearted kind of opportunities. If you are going into something, go with all of your heart and soul. Go with this energy that whatever you are going into is going to, be something that you really, really, really love. Okay, and something that you can give your time, effort and energy to in a very positive, in a very beautiful, loving and nurturing kind of a way. So love your job, love your career, love yourself enough to attract those kind of opportunities. Basically, give all of your heart and soul to this journey of yours, this starting journey of yours, and you will be able to attract the right kind of energies in your life. Okay, very, very soon. Awesome. Let's see for your finances what we have. Aries, till the mid of September. We have the Wheel of Fortune. So the financial area is going to change. Something in your financial area is going to shift big, big, big time. It's like it's a slow and steady change. It's not like everything is changing very fast. Like the tables are going to turn now. Whatever your financial energy is right now, if it is good, it's going to be a little bit downside. If it is down, it is going to be a little bit upside. Yeah, because the Wheel of Fortune is the card of change. The wheel keeps on, going back and forth, up and down, up and down. It never stays at one place. So whatever your financial energies are right now, they are going to change accordingly, slowly but surely, slowly but till the mid of September. So if it is up, it's going to be a little bit down. If it is down, it's going to be a little bit up. You have to take it how it resonates with you. The guidance here is the Five of Wands, so means there is some kind of troublesome energies around it. If you're having trouble having more savings or not being able to invest properly, take help from somebody who is going to, make a proper plan, make a proper strategy for you guys, maybe on a monthly basis, so that you guys will be able to save more or invest more, or you are going to feel financially stable. Yeah, if you're struggling with it, take help from somebody. Maybe one time help is required only. You have to check it according to your own energies. Maybe only one time help is going to help you to figure out how to have a proper strategy and plan regarding your financial area. So if you're struggling with this area, definitely take help from an expert, maybe, or somebody who is good enough in this field, and they will help you to, have more flow of investment, more flow of money in your life, right? So this is what I have for you for this month. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.